What's up, guys? Welcome back to our show. This is Toy Friendly Unboxed, where we feature the hottest toys in the market today. And before anything else, again, thank you so much for watching our videos. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And smash that notification bell for announcements on future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. So today, we're going to be reviewing and unboxing this Evangelion 3 figure. It's a rather old figure, but it's also sealed. Excuse the beat up box. So, siguro dahil yan sa, sa shipping. Kaya medyo lokot-lokot yung kahon. Pero nevertheless, this is going to be a fun unboxing. And this is for the Evangelion fans out there. So without any further ado, here we go! Welcome back, guys. Ito nga, nilabas ko na siya sa box kasi medyo beat up na, no? Pero yung brand niya kasi is JAMA, pero SEGA price pa rin itong figure na to, this particular figure of Evangelion Test Type 01. And napansin ko, maganda yung base niya, kita nyo. Pansin nyo, hexagon shapes pa rin siya, very consistent with the theme of Evangelion. Kung fan kayo ng anime, makikita nyo yung prominence ng hexagon shapes din sa diba? Sa control room nila. So yun yung ginawa nilang base for this one. Ganda eh. Napansin ko lang din yung colors nitong Evangelion na to. Hindi siya yung deep violet hue na usually na nasanay tayo doon sa mga ibang figures na nire-review natin. Pero nevertheless, maganda rin. Parang may metallic shine siya sa pagkaka-render nitong figure na to. And highly detailed pa rin naman siya, lahat ng details na nakagawian natin for Evangelion Test Type 01. Although wala siya ng mga markings. Yun lang ang kulang niya. Pero yung shape, yung sculpt, very well rendered. And also, yung mga parts niya, nandito rin. Kompleto rin naman. And yung colors niya, nag-jive talaga. Hindi siya too much, hindi siya nakaka-overwhelm, pero maganda naman yung pagkaka-sculpt and paint sa kanya. Wala nga lang siya articulation, so purely parang statue. Ganda pa rin naman yung shape niya. Wala siya naman accessories, napapansin nyo, ito lang siya. Pero meron dong kasamang itong gun. Feeling ko connected siya dun sa isa pang figure na Eva 02. So may instructions kasi dun sa likod ng box na ina-attach to. So siguro kasama siya dito sa box na to as a premium para maikabit mo dun sa other Evangelion figure, yung Eva 02. Kasi tinatry ko alisin to so that you'd be able to attach this. Hindi, wala siyang ganung function. So overall, maganda tong Evangelion figure na to. And again, it's a worthy addition to your Evangelion collection. Yung sa base pa lang, panalo na yung ganda. And there you go. This is the MMA or SEGA price Evangelion premium figure. And di ko alam kung meron pa nito sa market na ano ko lang to, na-chamba ko lang. And that was our quick unboxing and review of the SEGA Prize Premium Evangelion figure. And this is a must-have for your Evangelion collection and display. Napakaganda rin. Ganda yung sculpt and paint. Although yun nga, medyo light yung violet niya. Pero okay pa rin. Very good addition to your collection. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for announcements of future unboxing episodes and other fun stuff. Also, please do visit our store, which is www.facebook.com/toyfriend. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next unboxing episode.